In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Squarespace membership and subscription website. We're going to walk through the basic setup for creating a member area in Squarespace and attaching a subscription pricing plan to it. This is a great option if you want to offer exclusive content, paid access, or recurring membership features directly on your website. To begin, head into your Squarespace dashboard and click on Website. This will take you into the main area where you manage your site's structure and content. From there, click on Pages so you can access your navigation and site page settings. Inside the Pages panel, look under Main Navigation and click the plus icon. This is how you add a new page or section to your website. In the menu that appears, choose Content and Memberships, then select Member Site. This tells Squarespace that you want to create a protected area specifically designed for member-only access. Next, choose a template for your member site. Squarespace may give you a few layout options depending on your setup, and this helps you get started faster with a pre-built structure. After selecting the template, you can edit the name of the member site. It's a good idea to give it a clear descriptive name so it's easy to manage later, especially if you plan to create more than one membership area. Once the member site has been created, click Add a Pricing Plan. This is where you connect payment access to the content you've just set up. After that, click Create Pricing Plan to begin building the subscription offer. When Squarespace asks what kind of plan you want to create, choose Subscription. This option is ideal if you want members to be billed on a recurring basis, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Next, enter the price for your subscription. Make sure you choose an amount that matches the value of the content or benefits your members will receive. Then move to the repeats every setting and choose how often the subscription should renew. This determines your billing cycle, so take a moment to select the option that best fits your business model. For example, monthly plans are common for ongoing memberships, while yearly plans can work well if you want to encourage longer-term commitment. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Your subscription pricing plan will now be added to your Squarespace member site. At this point, you've successfully created the foundation of a Squarespace membership and subscription website. From here, you can continue refining the content, customizing the member experience, and making sure the plan details are exactly how you want them before sharing your site with visitors.